Hello, everyone. Today, welcome to today's ARGO GitOps Lab. Today, we're going to talk about EventBus. And we're going to install one. So let's look at the requirements. We're going to need access to a Kubernetes cluster, and then we're going to actually browse to a page that tells us how to do this. We're going to create a namespace and then actually install the EventBus project on our cluster. We're going to verify that it's actually there. And then we're going to actually put in a two different buses as examples and look at how they're installed. So let's get started. So first, we make sure that we have access to a cluster. There's my cluster with one node on GKE. Now we're going to go to this page because we're going to follow the instructions on that page. Oh, that is not cool. It's gone. Okay, anyway, I have the instructions here, so that's all fine. All right. Oh, because I added my own text to that. That's why that happened. All right, so this is the instruction we're going to follow. So first of all, we're going to create a namespace. Then we're going to install EventBus project, ARGO project, on our cluster on that namespace. This YAML file has all the details of what's getting installed, which is why it's really super nice because you don't have to think about it. You can just apply the YAML file. As you can see, a bunch of stuff got created, including some RBACs and also some CRDs, customer resource definitions. For our purpose for today's lab, that's not relevant because it just works. All right, that's done. Now we're going to use this YAML file to create an extremely simple event bus. All right, this is from the previous lab. So we're going to do kubectl apply -f a.yaml. And we'll see in just a second that EventBus called default got created. Next one we're going to do is this one. This one uses tokens, so it's slightly more complicated. So we're going to do b.yaml, save the file, and apply the file. That should give us a second EventBus. All right, once that's done, we're going to deviate a little bit from the instructions because we're going to actually verify now. We're going to see how many event buses we have. There's one. Why one? There should be two. Interesting. Let's look at B. Is it event bus called default? Oh, I think I overrode the second one with the first one because they're both called the same thing. That's B again. BIA.yaml. Yeah, same name. That's the problem. So I overrode one with the other. So okay, that's all right. The second one is more important for our lab anyway. So you got that. Then we're going to get the config of this event, the second one that we created, and we're going to only pay attention to the part that we care about. Here is talking about how to access this particular this I have a pop-up that I don't care about. How to access this particular event bus, and it says token. And the next part of this is going to be trying to get the token that we need. First of all, we look at what secrets there are because the token is part of a secret. And there are two secrets there, one for the client, one for the server. And we get the one for the client. And as you can see, this is the token for accessing that particular event bus. Again, to give you, let's see how much time I got left. 9 seconds. Okay, I'll see you in the next GitOps Lab. Please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. I will see you in the next GitOps Lab.